What is up, guys? What is up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. And this thing is just getting crazy up every day. Today we took another loss. So this entire week was a very dead week, and I actually don't know why, but every time I get stopped out, the trades play out. I just don't know why. Every trade that I have been taking this week, I get stopped out and the trades play out. I just don't get why. Is it the session I'm trading? I'm just confused. I'm just too confused, guys. I'm just too confused, but a very horrible losing streak after withdrawing after my first withdrawal in forex. It's very discouraging, but I just need to keep pushing and keep putting in the work. Hopefully one day I'll get the breakthrough that I want, that I need so badly. So it's just a part of the process. I know it's very hard to say for some of you guys, but it's very hard to maintain this kind of discipline in trading. It's very hard. It's very hard. Yeah, it's very hard, and I just don't know what to say in this video. So let me just go into the trade recap. Oh, and this weekend I may post another video. It's going to be about it's going to be about psychology. So stay tuned for that. And I think after this video I'm going to record it just to keep track of time. But yeah, stay tuned for that, and let's go into the trade recap. So today's trade started off from the 1 hour time frame. I already use the 1 hour time frame for my bias on the lower time frame. So the 1 hour time frame was respecting this fair value gap right here. The 1 hour time frame tapped into this fair value gap right here. So after seeing that tap, I wanted this candle right here to respect this fair value gap in order to confirm that price may continue lower for the long run, and initially it did, but I got stopped out early. It did, but I got stopped out. So price was around in this candle right here, in this fair value gap right here, and I was just waiting for it to respect this fair value gap, then wait for a candle closure, then enter a trade. So after the candle closure, I dropped down to the 1 minute to the 15-minute time frame. Today I used the 15-minute time frame because there was a fair value gap that was not filled on the 15-minute time frame. I wanted that to get filled before entering for shorts. So I waited for a tap into this fair value gap. After I got a tap into the fair value gap, I dropped down to the 1 minute time frame to look for a second confirmation, just to be sure of my entry, and which was right here. You can see this big gap right here. So I entered at this gap right here. Price tagged me in and ran up to my stop loss, which stopped me out. Yeah, it's really bad, but I just need to continue putting in the work because last month was a very great month. Last month was a very great month. I don't know if you guys were following. I was taking consistent wins. It was a very great month, a very great month. So I just need to lock in. I don't think the problem is with my strategy. I just think that at some point in time I'm wrong, because I also had this feeling that maybe I enter when the session has just started. Maybe that's the problem why I get low probability trade, because this is London session on GBP USD. At the exact open, it's not that okay. The candles before are not that high quality, because the candles before are Asia session candles, and we all know that Asia session on GBP USD always consolidate. So I think that's the main reason why I was taking those losses, and I just need to find a way to adapt and hopefully take more profits. So this is Friday. This was a Friday trade. So a happy weekend for you guys all, and I hope you had a nice week. Yeah, I'm going to post a video about psychology, I think on Saturday or Sunday, any of those 2 days, but most likely Saturday. I'm likely to post a video, so stay tuned for that. Check out my TikTok account. Love you all. Peace.